platinum chain with them diamonds in it? Where'd you get that matching Benz with them windows tinted? Who them girls you be with when you be riding through? Man, I ain't got nothing to prove. I paid my dues, breaking the rules and shake fools while I'm taking the cruise. Tell me who's your weed man? How do you smoke so good? You's a superstar, boy. Why you still up in the hood? What in the world is in that bag? What you got in that bag? A couple of cans of whoop ass. You did a good ass job of just eyeing me, spying me. I got my big Glock 40. Cock back, my homie. So drop that. Rolling on 20 with the top back. So much money, you can't stop that. Big Glock 40. Cock back, my homie. So drop that. Rolling on 20 with the top back. So much money, you can't stop that. Man, that car don't come out until next year. Where in the fuck did you get it? That's 80,000 bucks gone. Where in the fuck did you spend it? You must have eyes on your back, cause you got money to the ceiling. And the bigger the cap, the bigger the feeling, the better I'm feeling. The more that I'm chilling with the drilling and killing the feeling. Who's that bucket naked cook, fixing 3-course meals? Getting goosebumps when a body taps a 6-inch